I got the roost that time.
Connected.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're out here playing around this little track. Kevin on this 300L. I'm on the XR 250L. Oval track here. It's kind of cool. A little dusty, not too bad. I don't think it's as bad as it was last time we was here. So we're trying out the Sena MeshPort Red. Connected, both of us connected mesh to it and connected to the GoPro for the audio on this GoPro video. So hopefully it works good. Definitely hear his breathing and a lot of air coming through his. We got to adjust his mic a lot better. There's actually some dirt bikes over there at the track. Real dirt bikes. Not like us on the DUALSPORTs. So, stop putting around.
Yeah, this thing is so much better.
A lot more meat on the ground with that Test D Sport than there is with the stock tire. Yeah. Kind of out here at the motocross track watching some of these dirt bikers. They're on real dirt bikes, not unlike us. A little faster than we are too. Like a little 125 two-stroke Husqvarna. Quite a ways over there, really, from where we're at.
Some of these corners are crazy.
Track's a little better than it was before, now that they've wetted it down some.
Yeah, it is.
I can tell that for sure. We adjusted his mic and it's better.
Dude, what? What'd you say?
Talking about we adjusted your mic and it's in a better position now than it was.
Woo! Top of the red. That is a wall jump. I didn't notice how steep that thing actually was. Yeah!
You got her. I got it on video. Trying to use electric start.
Oh. I feel like it does take the suspension better with this friggin' tire on it. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, these tires on this thing really suck. My tractionators on my 300L is a lot better than these. These tires are horrible on this loose, gravelly, rocky, sandy. Man, I got the roost that time. My goodness. Definitely, the suspension is so much better on this XR.
Here, we can even take the long way. Take this way in.
A long way.
Yeah.
Like part of the old track. Trying to get me killed. Get the old man out here. There's a wall jump. Is that what that is?
Well, it's meant to double right here, or wall.
Oh, yeah. It's a double. Not for me. Oh, yeah, this suspension didn't even bottom. 300L would have bottomed so hard right there. Yeah, Honda XR 250L on the motocross track, but I'm not a motocrosser anymore. Definitely ain't gonna get too crazy, especially on this bike. It ain't a motocross bike. Neither one of ours is. Okay, guys, there's my video of the MeshPort Red. I'll be making lots more videos with this thing. Hopefully this works pretty good. We won't know till we get back and check the video with the audio, but should be working good. Thank you all for watching Woodsman Adventures. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below, and we'll catch you on the next adventure. Right on.